Alright guys, you Mi 11X Poco F3 users out there, we finally after a long time have a new update for a MIUI based custom ROM. Now what we're talking about today is CSX verse, that is MIUI CSX 13.0.8. This is based on the global stable. It has just been updated today, and in this video we're gonna have a first look. I have experienced this since this morning. What are the changes that I've seen? And towards the end of the video, I will also quickly show you how to go ahead and install it. So if you haven't already, please subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything and it really motivates us to make amazing content like this. Now, without further ado, hello awesome people. Welcome to PhoneOps. My name is Kailash. Let's get going. Alright, now as you can see, we are on the home screen of this beautiful ROM. The good thing here is it looks highly debloated. Only the essential applications are available in this ROM, which is a really good thing because in my opinion, MIUI 13 is sort of a bloated and heavy operating system. But when you do things like these, it's going to be really nice. Now, what I do like about this ROM is just have a look. The boot animation, the unlock animation, they are pretty beautiful. Even if you talk about the dialer, well, we have the MIUI dialer, and as you can see, Monet UI is present and it's doing a great job. So let's quickly, go ahead and try to change the save wallpaper and see if Monet does some work or not. Let's go to a green colored wallpaper over here. Okay. All right. Yeah. So now, wow. I don't know how they've done it, but Monet is sort of working. You do have your MIUI messaging app as well. So those are good things. If you talk about the camera application over here, you do get the Leica camera with the Leica UI. Not that it will increase, the clarity or something, but at least the user interface is a little different and it makes you feel better if that is what you're looking at, right? Now, the whole animation thing in this user interface is really subtle, really smooth, and it works really well. Even if you go to say launcher settings, you will find the latest updated launcher over here, which does have a few extra customizations going for it. As you can see, they are playing with the colors, animations, everything. So those are definitely good things over here. Now let's actually go to settings here and let's go to about phone. And as you can see, this is a complete new user interface or look over here. Monet doing a great job here as well. And this whole layout has been changed. It does come with the August security patch because of course this is based on the latest MIUI 13.0.8 build, which is a really good thing. So all in all, if you ask me, this UI looks very solid. It will be great to use as a daily driver, right? There are additional things in this particular ROM as well. If you actually go to display and you say go to refresh rate, let's go. You do have custom 90, so you can select 90 Hz refresh rate as well. This ROM is also known to give you 90 FPS gaming in a lot of games, which is a good thing again. So all in all, there are customization options. This ROM looks great because it is based on the latest stable MIUI 13.0.8. All right, now that we've seen what are the new features of this ROM, what does it look like and feel like, before we do a complete review, let me quickly show you how to go ahead and install it, right? Now, as you can see, this is CSX verse MIUI 13.0.8 updated today. There is a changelog that is mentioned. New meme mod are coming up with new thermals and little Monet, Leica camera can't depths from other MIUI mods. Know whom I'm referring to. Personally, I don't recommend flashing such mods. It's my personal opinion. Okay, anyways, there's not much that has changed and there is a lot that has changed. Reason being because they have done a ton of customization, and when I do a complete review of this ROM, it will be very interesting. For now, we have to install it. So this procedure is pretty straightforward. Make sure you have more than 50% battery. Make sure that your data is backed up. All right, and make sure you have an unlocked bootloader along with TWRP. There is only one file that you will need, which is this ROM file that is linked in the description. And once you've taken care of everything, just make sure you've removed your Google and MI account from your phone, and you've removed your screen lock, face unlock, security, fingerprint, and rebooted the device once. Now, once you've taken care of all of this, you are good to go and you can go ahead and flash it. For that, what we will do is press and hold the power button, click on restart, and press and hold volume up and power while it is rebooting to see the MI logo. Okay. Now it will boot to TWRP, where we will be installing this wonderful ROM. Alright, now as you can see, we are in TWRP. Let's go to install. You see this? This is the ROM file. So go to wipe, advanced, Dalvik, and data. We won't be wiping internal storage or metadata for obvious reasons. And go to the main screen, select install and select the ROM file. You can select this option automatically reflash TWRP. So swipe to confirm flash. Now this is different. This is not a AOSP ROM. This is a MIUI based custom ROM, which is around 3 gigabytes in size itself. So it will take its own sweet time to flash and to boot. So you need to wait for a couple of minutes while this happens. Meanwhile, I have a quick question for you guys. I make install videos, mod videos. I do review, certain things as well as far as custom ROMs are concerned. If there is anything that you would like to see new on this channel, I would love to do unboxings, new gadget reviews and stuff like that as well. So let me know that in the comment section. Now, as you can see, it says that the ROM has been flashed successfully. There is no error at all. So we'll go to home screen. Go to wipe, format data and type in yes to avoid any encryption, decryption issues. Okay, reboot system. Now the first boot, of course, as I said, this is a MIUI based ROM and the first boot will take anywhere between 2 to 3 minutes. So please be patient while that happens. Now, as you can see, it has a different and a beautiful boot animation. It says YLLQFKD. Okay. And this was surprisingly quick. I was worried there for a second if it is going to boot or not, but it booted really nice. And as you can see, I'm on Wi-Fi and Monet is already apparent. So that's going to be good. All right, just like that, we are on the home screen of this wonderful ROM. And as you can see, it has a Samsung One UI icon pack, which I did state earlier as well. It looked like settings to me. Anyways, so let me quickly show you. As you can see, this is MIUI CSX by Rishi. This was a first look and install guide for this wonderful ROM. Give this video a like if you want to see a complete review and a gaming review. I will see you in the next one. Keep smiling. Take care. Goodbye.